Hi guys, welcome to Zoom. This is Mimansa. From RM confirming BTS's comeback next year to Blackpink's possible comeback album later this year, the fandom of both the K-pop groups had a lot to be excited about. Amid all this, the award season is also gaining heat. In case you missed out on all that trended, we got you sorted. Here are the top 10 news items that kept buzzing throughout the Korean entertainment industry in the week gone by. BTS leader RM has confirmed the group's comeback for March 2026, revealing that they are filming the music video and hinting for a spring release and world tour.
BTS is gearing up for one of the most anticipated comebacks in the K-pop history, and its leader RM seemingly confirmed that the group's much-awaited return will take place at the end of March 2026. During a recent interaction on a red carpet, RM, V and J-Hope were asked about their plans for the end of the year. RM responded with a smile that they are still preparing the album and filming the music video. His statement already had fans excited, but the real surprise came moments later when J-Hope playfully asked RM whether he wanted to practice dancing. RM quipped that he already was before breaking into a small groove himself.
The 2025 Mama Awards nominations are out, and J-Hope, Jin, Jisoo, Rose and G-Dragon are leading the top categories.
The 2025 Mama Awards have unveiled their full list of nominees, featuring some of the industry's biggest names like J-Hope, Jin, Jisoo, Rose, G-Dragon, Jennie and 17 leading multiple categories. This year's grand ceremony will take place at Hong Kong's Kai Tak Stadium on November 28th and 29th, celebrating the finest in music released between October 1st, 2024 and September 30th, 2025.
Blackpink is reportedly preparing for a new album for December during their Deadline World Tour, though YG Entertainment says nothing is finalized.
K-pop global sensation Blackpink may be gearing up for a new album release later this year, sparking excitement among fans worldwide. This week, reports emerged suggesting that Blackpink is preparing to drop a new album in December. The report mentioned that the members have been working on the album while touring, and the release date was reportedly pushed from an earlier timeline of October or November to mid-December. The news has fans buzzing, hoping for fresh tracks from their favorite group made up of Jisoo, Jennie, Lisa and Rose. Blackpink is currently on its Deadline World Tour.
17 will celebrate their 10th debut anniversary with a 4-part documentary series titled 17 Art Chapter, featuring behind-the-scene tour and album moments.
17 is ready to take fans down the memory lane as they celebrate a decade of music, hard work and success with a brand new documentary series. Titled 17 Art Chapter, the highly anticipated docu-series will be released globally on Disney Plus on November 7th, marking the group's 10th debut anniversary in grand style. The announcement was officially made by Pledis Entertainment on October 15th. The series will feature 4 episodes that dive deep into 17's remarkable journey over the years, giving fans a glimpse into both their public and private moments. It will showcase footage from the group's Right Here World Tour, their 9th fan meeting, 17 in Carrot Land, and the creative process behind the 5th full-length album, Happy Birthday.
Rose, Twice, G-Dragon and Lee Byung-hun were among those nominated for Korea Popular Culture and Arts Awards for this year.
The Korea Popular Culture and Arts Awards celebrate the remarkable contributions of some of South Korea's biggest names in entertainment. This year's top honorees include actor Kim Hae-suk, fondly known as Nation's Mother. She will receive the Silver Crown Cultural Medal. The Bronze Crown Cultural Medal will be presented to actor Lee Byung-hun of Squid Game and No Other Choice fame. Actor Jong Dong-hwan will also be lauded for his dedication to classical literature and philosophical storytelling. The Minister of Culture, Sports and Tourism citation will be awarded to rising stars Ko Yoon-jong, Byung-woo Suk, Ji Chang-wook and Chu Young-woo, along with groups Rise, Lesser Fame, ID and Zero Base One, and comedian Lee Soo-ji and choreographer Bebe.
After The White Lotus, Lisa is set to be joining Netflix's Extraction Taigo spin-off. As per a report, the Blackpink member has been offered a role in the action franchise.
Netflix's Extraction universe has been very busy recently. The streamer is planning to start the third film in the franchise in 2026, with Chris Hemsworth returning as Tyler Rake. 2 more spin-offs are also planned. The series Extraction Mercenary will be led by Lupin's Omar Sy, while the film Extraction Taigo will star Ma Dong-suk and Lee Jin-wook. A new report reveals that Blackpink's Lisa is in talks to join the duo on the Korean action spin-off. Lisa made her acting debut with HBO Max's The White Lotus earlier this year. This new action film will have a new storyline not connected to Chris Hemsworth's movie trilogy. Train to Busan's Ma Dong-suk is leading the new Korean spin-off alongside Squid Game's Lee Jin-wook.
BTS single Butter continues to lead the largest single week streams on Billboard Global 200, a record it created in 2021 that still remains unbroken.
BTS released its track Butter in 2021. Even after 4 years, the global smash hit holds an unbroken record. The K-pop group's single continues to lead with the largest single week streams of 289.2 million on the Billboard Global 200, a record it set in 2021. As of October 18, 2025 chart, the feat remains under its stronghold. Meanwhile, Blackpink member Rose's APT featuring Bruno Mars achieved the biggest streaming week for any female solo artist at 224 million streams, surpassing Jungkook's 7. BTS members Jungkook, Jin, J-Hope and Jimin also kept strong chart positions with their solo hits.
Director Park Chan-wook and actor Ahn Hyo-soo are among the top 5 recipients to get honored at the 15th Beautiful Artist Awards this year.
The Shin Young Cultural Foundation announced the winners of the 15th Beautiful Artist Awards. This year's honorees include director Park Chan-wook, singer In-soo-ni and actor Ahn Hyo-soo among a total of 5 recipients. Director Park Chan-wook will receive the Film Artist Award in recognition of his outstanding contributions to the globalization of Korean cinema. His acclaimed works include Old Boy, The Handmaiden and Decision to Love. Actor Ahn Hyo-soo has been named the recipient of the New Artist Award. His performance in the Netflix film K-pop Demon Hunters has solidified his status as a rising star and prominent representation of Korean content in global entertainment.
Yo Jin-gu announced his military enlistment while celebrating his 20th debut anniversary during the ongoing fan meeting tour Blank Space.
Yo Jin-gu is gearing up for his military enlistment. The Hotel de Luna actor shared the news through handwritten letters he handed out at the end of each performance during his ongoing Asia fan meeting tour Blank Space. This coincides with his 20th debut anniversary, and Yo is personally informing fans of his enlistment. Following his interaction with fans in Taipei, he also announced the news at the end of the event. Before enlisting, the actor will hold fan meetings in cities like Jakarta, Tokyo, Osaka, Shanghai, and later in Korea.
Kim So-hyun was shooting, coinciding with the time Kim Se-ron's family alleged that she exchanged text messages with an anonymous man.
Kim So-hyun has rejected claims made by Kim Se-ron's family that he was in an inappropriate relationship with the late actress when she was a minor. A new report revealed that the actor was apparently busy shooting for his film Real. During the same time, Kim Se-ron's side levied allegations against him. As per the actor's June 2016 schedule, he was filming for more than 18 days that month, which coincided with the time she exchanged text messages with an anonymous man. The report further claimed that Kim So-hyun reached the set early in the morning and left not before completing his schedule for the day. Thus, arranging a date with her during that time frame was not possible. He was occupied with filming all day.
And that's all we have in this week's edition. For all the entertainment related updates, follow Zoom. This is Mimansa Shekhar signing off. Bye bye.